In the heart of nature's embrace, where the earth meets the sky, lies the secret behind Shahi Baagh tea. Our tea is nurtured in the finest, freshest tea gardens, where every leaf is carefully chosen, ensuring the purest essence of flavor. From the garden to our state-of-the-art processing facility, every step is a demonstration to our unwavering commitment to quality. Packaged with care, each sip delivers an experience that is nothing short of extraordinary. The result? A taste that exceeds expectations, a flavor that lingers, and a journey from earth to cup. Shahi Baagh Tea, where tradition meets excellence.